91st pre-competitive skill test. It may be underlined that unless full facts and comments are received from the departments concerned, it will not be possible for the solicitors department to transmit the sanction to defend the writ petition of the Advocate General oblique Additional Advocate General full stop. The result is that the matter may go by default full stop. All administrative secretaries and heads of attached departments are requested to observe these formalities and matters of procedure meticulously and without exception to enable the law department to assist them efficiently in accordance with the rules of business and the law department manual full stop. They should simply enumerate the defects noticed and given constructive suggestions for improvement full stop. New paragraph. The object of this meeting would be to remove the bottlenecks, which are likely to delay the advice of the Public Service Commission, and also to assess how far ad hoc appointment is justifies full stop. Very brief moments of the meeting will be prepared during the meeting and signed by the participants, this coordination will ascertain the measure of publicity each department could achieve for the performance full stop. This will also lead to a periodic appraisal of such departments' activities and to the preparation of regular round up for the press full stop. Normal confusion caused by the appearance of hazard pictures of policy decisions in the press can be avoided if the releases are made through information department full stop. New paragraph. I am to emphasize that the foregoing position may be kept in mind because irrespective of the substance of policy decisions, the form in which they are projected in vital to correct publicity full stop. Each lower gusted inspector should scrutinize of his immediate junior, and since the greatest effect on public is exercised by the working of the base, the frequency of inspection should increase steadily in ascending command from the higher to the interior rungs full stop. In the line of authority, the departments have not only delayed the information often, but if they have not delayed, provided it incomplete and piecemeal full stop. It has already been underscored that the purpose of exposure is defeated with the lapse of time and people lose interest in matters which are not of topical interest full stop.
Topical.